Well, unfortunately, speaking of, the Seattle Mariners have to handle this truth, that they are not getting Shohei Ohtani. So what's next for Jerry Dipoto? What does he do?
Well, they sit up there and they just kind of wait it out, and we want to pick them every year, and we talk about the travel, and then what do? I mean, I don't know, Chris. This is one of those things you sit back, you're like, this got to be disappointing. You're sitting there because I think you were feeling that you were going to get it, right? You're right there. So there's got to be some disappointment, but you got winter meetings coming up. You got every agent possible, and you're going to have every client out there, and so maybe you got to make another splash somewhere and go out and sign a big-time pitcher.
Well, they've already made a couple of off-season deals. Ryan Healy from the A's and D. Gordon, which we'll talk about next segment. But, yeah, they need to stabilize that rotation. They used too many starters because of injuries last year. So they're going to have to do something. I mean, Jerry Dipoto, I think he gets paid by the transaction. If I see him down in Orlando, I want to ask if there's a transaction clause in his contract. I really want to know from him. By the way, you said Jerry Dipoto's bummed. I'm bummed, too, because in our December predictions, I had Ohtani going up to Seattle. You already won a point with Aaron Boone being named the manager of the Yankees. So, Caleb, give me a big X if you got that, because I did not get that right.
He's got it.
Do we have that available?
I had him going to the Yankees.
Thank you. This is not my Des Bryant, by the way. This means that I just didn't get it right.
No, it's a little higher.
All right.
Des goes higher.